Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel and Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about National Panchayat Raj Day in India. Now, the National Panchayat Raj Day is observed every year in India on 24th of April. The reason behind the celebration of this day is the passing of Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992, which came into force from 24th of April 1993. Now, what is the history of Panchayati Raj in India? India is a very vast country and it is called the world's largest democracy. Due to the high population and large areas in many states, the person sitting at the last or the highest position, the chief minister in the state, does not get actual scenario of the problems faced by the people of rural areas. So it was decided that the power of democracy should be decentralized. In order to fulfill this requirement, a committee was constituted in 1957 under the chairmanship of Balwant Rai Mehta. The committee recommended democratic decentralization of the power. Hence, the concept of Panchayat Raj was constituted in India for the first time in the history. This is Shri Balwant Rai Mehta, who was the first chairperson of this committee, which was constituted for Panchayati Raj institution in India. Now, the committee recommended a three-tier Panchayati Raj system in the country: Gram Panchayat at village level, Panchayat Samiti at block level, and Zilla Parishad at district level. Now, Rajasthan was the first state in the country where Panchayat Raj system was implemented. This scheme was inaugurated by late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on October 2nd, 1959. In Nagaur district, this scheme was later on implemented in Andhra Pradesh in 1959. So Rajasthan is the first state to implement Panchayat Raj institutions after the recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta Committee in 1957. Good. Now, what is the significance of National Panchayati Raj Day? Well, the reason for celebrating Panchayat Raj Day is 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992. The passing of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 came into force with effect from 24th April 1993. So the Panchayat Raj Divas is celebrated every year in India on 24th of April. Now, the most significant aspect of this day is the diversification of the political power in the hands of common men. Now, it seems that every village, block, and district has a separate chief minister to run the administration of the particular territory. So, democratic decentralization means giving power to the last man sitting in the row, telling him that you yourself can be a person who can carry out the administration and manage the welfare of people. Now, in order to supervise Panchayati Raj system in India, a separate Ministry of Panchayati Raj was constituted on 27th of May 2004. The National Panchayat Raj Day is observed in the country since 24th April 2010. Now, development of Panchayat Raj system in India. Panchayat Raj system is assumed to be started in India since April 24, 1992. Since then, it is spreading its wing in all the regions of the country. There are 2.54 lakh panchayats in our country, out of which 2.47 lakhs are Gram Panchayat, 6283 are block panchayats, and 595 are district panchayats. There are over 20 lakh panchayat representatives in India. The 14th Finance Commission has allocated more than 2 lakh crore rupees to Gram Panchayat for 5 years to undertake physical and social infrastructure projects in the villages. Ministry of Panchayat Raj commemorates following awards to the panchayats. These awards are given to the best performing panchayat on every 24th of April. Nanaji Deshmukh Rashtriya Gaurav Samman Sabha Puraskar to Gram Panchayats for outstanding performance of Gram Sabha. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Panchayat Shashtikaran Puraskar in general and thematic categories on all the three levels of panchayats. Child Friendly Gram Panchayat and Gram Panchayat Development Plan Award to be conferred to 3 best performing Gram Panchayats across the country. So, what are the powers, authorities, and responsibilities of the panchayats? Well, the state legislature has the legislative powers to confer on panchayats such powers and authorities as may be necessary to enable them to function as institutions of self government. They may be entrusted with the responsibility of preparing plans and implementation of schemes for economic development and social justice. Now, there are certain powers to impose taxes and financial resources as well. A state may authorize a panchayat to levy, collect tax, impose duties, tolls, fees, etc. The grant in aid may be given to the panchayat from the consolidated fund of the state for the development of the area. Now, I believe that Panchayat Raj institutions should be promoted and encouraged because these are the people who are at the ground level. They understand the nerve of the common man. We also have today 65% of the population still living in the rural area. So it's not the urban area which should be the priority. For more than 60% of the population of country, the villages are still the priority. And we need to focus on creating stronger Panchayat Raj institutions in our country. Thank you.